Okay, guys, so I wanted to make a video to go over this. This was a quiz. Um, and if you have not done it, then you will be getting a completely different one because now I'm about to give everyone the answer. So, the first one says to find the net force of two objects moving in the same direction, you would add their forces. All right. An object at rest or moving in a constant speed, so it's a constant speed and a constant direction, is being acted on by balanced forces. So we know they are balanced when they are both constant speed and constant direction. It can be constant speed, but if its direction changes, then it is unbalanced. And blank force always causes a change in position, speed, or direction of an object that is unbalanced. And you need to use your clues. So if you didn't know that, it would have said A if it was supposed to be balanced, but it says N, right? So we know that's unbalanced. Number 4, the total amount of all the forces on an object is called net force. Number 5, to find the net force of two objects moving in opposite directions. Opposite is going to mean the arrows are going opposite. And up here, this would be arrows going the same way, right? We are going to subtract those. We take the bigger one, we subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. And force is measured in newtons. And that is our unit of measurement. All right, it's very important that you include all that. So down here, there's two parts, and a lot of people miss the two parts. We were going to calculate the net force, and then we're going to use an arrow to indicate the direction of movement. Okay, so on this one, I see this arrow is going to the right. This arrow is going to the right. So they are the same. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add them, right? So 50, I'll do my math right over here, which y'all need to be doing when y'all do these problems also. 70 in, which way are my arrows going? To the right. 70 newtons to the right. Then number 8, my arrows are going opposite. So what am I going to do? I'm going to subtract, right? I would normally look for the bigger one and subtract the smaller one from it, but they're the same. So it's going to be 60 in minus 60 in. It's going to be 0 in. So 0 newtons. And I'm not going to do an arrow because it's not moving, right? It's sitting still because they are balanced. This one, both of my arrows are going this way, so they are the same. So I will add 55 newtons plus 45 newtons equals 100 newtons. And they are going to the right. On this one, I have opposite. So I subtract, right? I'm going to take the larger one, which is 40 newtons, and I'm going to do my arrows here, which is, and our other one is 10 newtons, and that's up, right? And I'm left with 30 newtons down. Number 11, they're both going the same way. So I'm going to add 15 newtons, 60 newtons, to the left. And finally, the last one, they are going opposite. So I'm going to subtract. My bigger one is right here, 35 newtons, 25 newtons, and I have 10 newtons to the left. Okay, so net force. It's pretty much simple math. All you need to remember, same, we add. Opposite, we subtract.